Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following error notification while I try to log in my Roblox account and it shows something went wrong. Please try again later. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this issue happening? And this is occurs for three possible reasons. And the first one is if you try many login failed attempts, it shows this kind of message. And the second one of the reason is due to your mobile data network or Wi-Fi connection not working properly. And the final one of the reason is due to this Roblox server is down. So friends, these are the three main reasons for this error message. So anyway, how to overcome this message? So very simple method is just open your Google Chrome or any other web browser and then search this Roblox official website. And they ask for do you want to continue in app, but you can press continue in browser and also complete these login processes. So now my Roblox account is ready to use. So next I try to locate one Roblox game and click to open it. But if I try to choose any Roblox server, my Roblox mobile application is automatically opening and this app also asks for the login processes. So just complete it. And also complete this verification process. So after I log in my account, it shows the play button. So now I try to join this particular Roblox server. But friends, now this time you can see I successfully joined this one Roblox server. So now this time it does not show that previously occurred login issue. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box and thanks for watching.